Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammed Shehzad. Today we are going to make Christmas greeting card with the Christmas tree, as you can see. For that we need quilling tool, glue, some round dias of different sides, brown 150 mm, one green and one yellow 150 mm strips. So let's get started friends. To make the greeting card cover, first we have to make the tree base. For that we need 150 mm round dia strip, and we are using round dia for 25 mm. We have to put the glue and make the shape of tree base. This one, as you can see, we've done it. Now we have to make the petal. For that we need 150 mm green strip. We use quilling tool and use the 20 mm round dia. Put the glue and press from the one side to make the petal shape that you can see. Now we have to make the star shape of tree, Christmas tree. We have to use 150 mm yellow strip. For that we need 12 mm round dia. For this we have to make press from the both side to make a petal shape. For that we need 6 petals for one star. I'll show you to make star first. And for this petal, green petal, for tree we need 15 and one base. So friends, this is the stuff that we required for the greeting card, Christmas greeting card cover. So in the next step I will show you how to put, and we will stick all the stuff on the greeting card cover. So let's get started from the other step friends.